Do you absolutely love the resin trend? Have you seen resin all over things, all over Pinterest, all over people's homes in art galleries? Well, guess what? I am going to be teaching you guys how to do this. This is a resin trend that is really, really cool. We are going to be doing a live workshop with me, Fiona DeBell, and Hometalk. That's going to be on June the 30th, 7 p.m. Eastern, and I will show you just how to create these amazing ocean waves. It's really straightforward. I will take you through step by step, I promise you. It's going to be fantastic. I can hardly wait. So I have to tell you, numbers for this very, very special class are strictly limited. All you need to do is click the link that we've got posted right here. It will take you through to an Eventbrite post, get your ticket, and brilliant. I will see you on the 30th of June, 7 p.m, when we're going to be making something for you that looks just like this. I will see you then. Don't forget to click the link.